yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, so I have clips, a comb, a detangling brush, bobby pins, hair pudding, and hair growth oil, which will be in the bio below. So now I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to begin with the back of my hair. So I'm going to part a small section, as you see, a big enough section. I'm going to pin up the rest of my hair, brush it out. I'm going to put oil on the roots of my hair and at the ends of my hair, and a little bit in between. Once the oil is in, I'm going to massage the oil through. Now I'm getting my bobby pin ready. I'm going to get a little bit of pudding to put on my hair. You really don't need a lot of pudding because you don't want the hair to be too soaked. We want a loose curl. Now I'm going to twist the hair like you're doing a twist, a regular twist, like how you would twist locks. And now I'm going to coil it around into a ball, and to keep the end of my hair in place, that's where the bobby pin comes in. Now I'm just showing you another section. So you just part the hair medium sized. You'll clip the other hair to the side. You will then apply the oil. You will get some of the hair pudding, or you can call it hair cream, whatever you want to call it. Nothing like leave-in conditioner, just something that you can style the hair with. I have mine from Shea Butter. You will then moisturize the pudding through your hair, and then you'll start to twist it like one big strand of a twist, and then you'll wrap it around and repeat the steps. Now I'm showing you from a different angle, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. Making sure I have oil all around my edges, making sure that all of the hair is getting treated, and we're going to bed. Now it's the next day. We still have our Bantu knots in. We're going to take off all the bobby pins. Once all the bobby pins are taken out, you will unravel all of the Bantu knots. I'm just separating the hair. So I'm unraveling the Bantu knots and separating the hair at the same time. Once you unravel all the hair, you want to start separating the hair. So either with a comb or like a pick, you want to start picking out the hair. So my face right now was saying I did not like it, but eventually I grown to like it because I had to pull out the hair. Also, to be honest, some of the pieces might be straighter than others, but it's a loose Bantu knot look because we did do the hairstyle on straight hair. I was feeling myself, and this is the end product. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and there will be pictures at the end.